Welcome in a universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is believe in miracles. Miracles are happening all the time. It just depends on whether we have the eyes and the awareness to see those miracles, to experience those miracles. You may be experiencing the miracles, but the thing is, we do not realize that what happened just now was a miracle. It is like when we cannot explain something logically, we'll think about it for some time and then forget about it. Oh, this happened by chance. Nothing happens by chance in the universe. Everything happens for a reason, with a reason. And so, as your awareness increases, as you raise your consciousness level, what happens is you are able to see more and more of these miracles which are happening all the time around you, within you. You are a miracle yourself. Every cell in your body is an inner universe that you are dealing with. So ask for what you want and it will become true. But for miracles to come true in your life, to experience them as daily happenings, the thing is that you have to believe in miracles, and our mind comes in between. It will not let you believe in miracles because it must get a logical reason for everything that is happening around. It will only believe in whatever you can perceive with your five senses. If you can see it, if you can hear it, if you can read it, only then will it believe in it. But miracles just happen on their own. So it is all about something at the non-physical level, something you cannot see. That is why for manifestation they say you have to believe in the unseen. You have to believe in something which has not happened, but you take the leap of faith because you know it must happen. So it is all about something you cannot see. It is just, you just know. So this is something about intuitive feeling, intuitive experiences. You just know, and you know it for sure. That is the thing. So this happens only when you become a witness, you become more creative, you have this clarity, you become highly intuitive. Only then can you perceive the magic in the universe. If you ask scientists and creative writers or artists, they'll all tell you how often they experience miracles. It is like they got up one morning and the whole poem or the song was there. It was playing in their mind and they just jotted it down. So all the inspirations come on their own. What is that? It is a miracle. A baby is born. You saw somebody today and this person is not there at all. The next day, what is this? These are all miracles taking place. Or if you see the beauty in nature, the flowers growing, the colors that you see around, the moon, the sun, the stars, everywhere there is miracle. Just you have to have the awareness to see and appreciate these miracles. You know, you experience these miracles all the time. You must have heard about the scientist who discovered X-rays, Wilhelm Röntgen. Now, this scientist, German scientist, was actually discovering something else. He was busy seeing whether these cathode rays pass through glass or not. And all of a sudden, he saw these rays which he did not even know what kind of rays was this. And he named it as X-rays because he was surprised to see something which could show the interior of the body, the bones. And so these are the miracles that are happening. But the thing is to make an assertion through your thoughts. This particular scientist, he must have made some kind of affirmation that I want to discover something. Now what is it? How will it happen? Nobody knows. But when the intention is there, when the intention has been made, now the universe starts doing the hard work. Now the universe acts as your guide, your manager, and starts making stories to align you with what you have desired. Anything that you desire can come true in your life. All you have to do is believe. Once you believe, it will come as a manifestation. So it all starts with you. You must believe it, make it a part of your subconscious mind, and then things start happening for you. To understand miracles, to experience miracles in your life, you have to go beyond the mind, where you become a witness to whatever is happening. The best of things will happen for you. That is what you believe in. And you become more creative, you have more clarity, and now everything aligns with what you want. Everything. All you have to do is keep going. Even when you do not see any financial gain, even when you see nothing much is happening as far as your health is concerned, all you have to do is keep believing and keep going, and then the miracles happen. A lady was working as a cleaner in a hospital, and she made an intention, I want to become a doctor, I want to work here as a doctor. Things aligned, all the financial assistance came from the universe, and one day she was standing there as a doctor of the hospital. Now, for any normal person, this would seem just impossible, but impossible also says, I am possible. So it all starts with your own belief. So many people have cured themselves of life-threatening diseases and illnesses. How? Just by the power of believing. Your thought is energy. Once you believe, it must come true. But you have to believe, and then you do not have to offer any kind of resistance after that. That is how you can cure yourself from diseases. That is how you can make anything come true. All your dreams can come true when you believe in your dreams. To experience miracles in your life, you have to have a high vibration. Now, things will never go perfect all the time. So there are people who say anything and everything to you and you are hurt. There are circumstances which are not congenial sometimes. So now again you don't feel good, you feel sad sometimes. So what you have to do is rise above your circumstances. You should not let your circumstances change your mood. Now this requires a lot of mastery, because when you become a master of your emotions, you always tend to keep your vibrations high, and this makes your aura and vibrations light and beautiful, and this is when you can experience miracles. So all you have to do is just forgive, forget, and move on. Now if you hold on to people's mistakes, their behavior which you just do not approve of, what is happening is, when you are concentrating on the negative aspects of their personality, one, you're making it a part of your own personality. It becomes a habit for you to judge people, to see only the negative side of their personality. And two, your own vibration comes down. You lower your vibration when you are criticizing others in your own mind. So you forgive, if not for others, for your own sake. Also, when you do not forgive, if you are more soul conscious, if you do not forgive some people, they'll keep coming in every life. They'll keep coming as a family member, as your friend, as your acquaintance, as your colleague, because there is something for you to learn. Every person who does something also shows a part of your own personality. He throws a light at something which still lies within you and which you have to rectify. So all you have to do is, you do not have power over others, so you must make the changes in your own personality, because there you are powerful. You have the power over what you think, how you behave, your actions, your own life. So all you have to do is forgive, and do not focus on what you do not like. When you do not like something and you keep focusing on that, you are making it your own habit. somewhere you will imbibe those negative qualities in your own personality also, even without knowing about it. So it is better to see things as you would like them to see. So you are visualizing, oh, I would like this person to behave in this way with me. I would like things to happen this way, a more beautiful way. So you are visualizing more positive things happening in your life. Also, how would you like this person whose behavior is not good, action is not good? You would like this person to become more compassionate, kinder, nice person, more honest. So think about this person as having become more honest. That's it. And just leave this person there. I'm not asking you to go again and again to these people. You have to protect your own vibration and aura. But whenever you bring them into your mind, at least you should just bless them for whoever they are. And there you can just visualize them as better individuals. That's it. So now when you think about them, the same negative story is not getting repeated, and you are keeping your vibrations right in place. You are keeping them high, and your aura will be white and beautiful. So what do you need to experience miracles? Believe that there is another world, there is another non-physical realm beyond these five senses. Remember that angels are there to help you all the time. So ask them if you need help. Ask them for whatever you desire in your life. Believe in the possibility of your dreams coming true. When you believe in your dreams, they actually come true. So believe in miracles. Miracles happen all the time. They'll happen for you too. But it must all start with you. You have to believe that yes, miracles are there. They happen in your life. They must happen in your life. So everything you seek, everything you desire will come true in your life. And this is how you will experience miracles in your life. You are limitless. So all you have to do is ask and receive. It is that simple. Try it and you will experience miracles. But it starts with your own belief. Believe that miracles are possible in your own life. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. This is all in this video. It's so beautiful to have you here. We'll see each other again in the next video with a new topic for you. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Namaste.